are you? Merry Christmas! My name is Jessie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a BooHoo try-on haul slash unboxing type of thing. So let's jump right in. I received this a few days ago and I have forced myself not to look at my order, so I've completely forgotten what's in here. So we're gonna open it up together and find out. For reference, I am about 5'10", 5'11", and I am currently a size 12, sometimes 14 if I want things to be a little bit more loose fitting. So for size reference, that is me. All right, let's open this up. If it's really echoey, we've moved out of this house completely, but I came back just to film this because we have the big full-length mirror and we don't have one at the new house. So I'm here to do this and I have nothing to rip this open with. I'm gonna try use my keys. Let's see how this goes. Sorry if the lighting is changing as well. You are in the cupboard because I only brought my little mini tripod. I didn't bring my big one. And then I realized there wasn't any furniture in here anymore that I can put you on. This is working. Slowly. We've got it open. I'm gonna get the order up on my phone here so that I can tell you guys the cost of everything as well. Ooh, they currently have 55% off everything, so jump on that. Order history. So I ordered this on the 1st of December and it took, I think I got it last week, so it took maybe 10 or so days to come to me, which isn't too bad given the whole COVID of the world right now. So I've got the order up. I'm not gonna look at anything until I pull the stuff out. All right, first one. We have oversized t-shirt and cycling short combo. This sounds exactly like what I've been buying lately. If you saw my last haul that I did from Shein, you'd see a lot of those as well. So this one's got like a ribbed texture. It feels really nice. Got the shorts. They look good. And the t-shirt is very oversized. It looks nice. I'm gonna have me trying them on the side here so you'll see what it looks like on my body, but it feels really nice. This is a size 12, a UK 12 anyway. They feel nice. I'm not sure how see-through they'll be. Yeah, they'll be super see-through. Can you see? Hang on. How can I do this? Yeah, there we go. Most of the ones I've found of these that are reasonably cheap are always see-through, which is fine when you're just at home, but if you're looking for something to go out in, not great. Oh, and those were $15.20 when I purchased them. At the moment, I think I got everything during like the Black Friday sales sort of stuff when that was still going on. So they're usually $38 and currently they're $17.10. So that's pretty good. Also, I'm shopping from BooHoo Australia, so I don't know if it's different elsewhere. What is next? Oh, this looks comfy. This looks like a jumper. It's so soft, you guys. This is nice. So this is a medium/large. It's really cute. It's really soft. It feels lovely. I like the color. It's got nice patterning and then it comes in a little bit at the wrists, which is nice. And the arms look reasonably long. That's something that I struggle with. Being quite tall is often things are too short in the arms and it drives me nuts. But we'll see. Well, you will already see, but we will see. I like that the neck's a bit wider. So it's called Tall Knit Detail Sweater. It is normally $55. It's currently on sale for $38, which is really good. And I paid $22. Okay, next one. Ribbed sleeveless midi dress. Okay, so this is very see-through, as always, but it's just a midi length ribbed dress. The idea with this, like the reason I bought this was so that I could wear a white t-shirt under it and then wear it to work, but if it's that see-through, that may not pan out. It's a, oh, I got this one in size 14. I might have been worried that it was gonna be really tight, but it looks like it might be a bit big. We will see. Let's see what the price of this one was. So this is normally $22. It's currently on sale for $9.90, which is great. I paid $8.80 for this one. So if it doesn't work out for me, that's fine because it's only $8 and returning stuff to BooHoo is quite easy. All right, the next thing, I think this is just a white t-shirt. Yep, just a plain white t-shirt. It's got a little V-neck, which is cute, and it's in a size 12. This was, I paid $4.80. It's normally $12. And at the moment it's on sale for $5.40, which is fantastic for just basics. You can't go wrong with that. All right. Next are these jeans. These are I didn't forget about these ones. I've been waiting for these ones. I am hoping that they work for me. So they're just blue denim jeans. They're skinny leg jeans. They are size 14. I think they're technically jeggings. Yeah. And I paid $16 for them. And they are normally, excuse my hand just there, they're normally $40. At the moment they're on sale for $18. And like I said, I paid $16. So yeah, they look nice. Okay, I'm just gonna cut in on myself here. Something that has never happened to me in my life has happened. Just put on the jeggings. They are too long. That's not a problem I ever have, but I'm guessing because they are from the tall range, they are designed for people basically my height and above, which makes sense because I'm at the lower range of that bracket. But yeah, that's not something I'm gonna complain about because that's never happened. Okay, this is another white top, I think. Well, it must be because it's tiny. This is a crop, I think, yeah. Which was what I was gonna pair with that dress. It's a size 14 as well, which is fine because my chest is quite large. This one is normally $15. At the moment it's on sale for $7 and I paid $6. So that's pretty good. Oh, this is the last thing. Oh, this is another dress. This one feels a bit thicker. It's still the same kind of material. It's see-through-ish again, which is kind of annoying, but it's all quite cheap, so you can't really complain. So this one has a split up the side. It's from the tall section as well, and it came with a little bit of tie that you put around your waist. So this one is $32 normally, and it's currently on sale for $14.40. And I paid $12.80 for this one. This feels really nice. Yeah, I think this might be a 14 as well. Oh no, this is a size 12, but it does look quite big, so I definitely wouldn't size up in this one, but obviously you've already seen what it looks like on. Yeah, it feels nice. It's got the split up the leg on this side. Yeah, which it's so hard to show black things when you're showing them. It'll be so much easier to see in the try on clips, but yeah. Okay guys, I've tried everything on. I'm still composing my final thoughts. I'm obsessed with the jumper, with this matching suit, the plain t-shirt, like the longer plain white t-shirt, and the jeggings. They're really comfy, even though they are that little bit too long, but that's fine. Obsessed with all of those things. They're fantastic. I'm still making my mind up on the two dresses. I'm not 100% sure. because they are so see-through and they're a bit clingy as well. The idea was that I could wear them for work in summer, but I'm not sure. I haven't made my mind up on those ones yet. And the shorter crop is nice, it's a good crop top, but I would only wear it with the dresses. So if I don't keep the dresses, I won't keep the top. But yeah, everything is great quality, as it always is with Boohoo. This one that I'm wearing had a few little like bits of thread coming out and stuff, but that's to be expected with the cheaper stuff. Yeah, everything fit quite well. The things that were a size 14 were like the tiniest bit big in some places, but then other parts of my body that are a bit rounder at the moment, it fit fine. So yeah, that's it from me today, guys. Please let me know what you thought in the comments down below, or tell me all about your Christmas or holiday period. I would love to have a conversation about it. Hit like if you liked this video, and subscribe to my channel to see more from me in the future. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Oh, that's not my order. That's an order from 2018. If you guys could stop banging your doors, that would be great. Someone is at the front watching me. I don't like it. Go away. Okay. They're here for the house next door. There's not going to be any animal bloopers. Sorry, guys. Oh, it is hot changing in and out of clothes. Did I even say everything I needed to? I have no idea.